Welcome, folks. Memphis back. So we're back. We got you the GoPro Hero 9. Messages were coming in. The last video sucked. I drove it. I was excited. I was full of adrenaline. Never looked down. It was bad. So I'm treating you guys. When I bought this GoPro Hero 9, it's installed. We're gonna run that 0 to 60. We're still running on that 91 gas. We're still here, so still have about a half a tank. As you guys can see, I have a lot of gas left in there. That 91. We looked for 93. That gas station that was promoting it doesn't happen, so we're gonna give you a mixture of two gases on the next run. Right now we're running that 91. Just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for all the subscribers. You guys blew up my channel. Like, I didn't even think I was gonna have 50 subscribers. I'm like 250 plus in like 9 days. The viewers on some of these videos are just out of control. The comments and the communication in between the community, this is exactly what I wanted. And you know, I was inspired by the big guys that I watch on YouTube. And I just wanted to thank everybody that subscribed, the messages. I wanted to shout some of you guys out before we get this going. I have AJ, thank you so much for subscribing. Guitar Slayer, Caden, Chris Isaiah, Thomas Mejia, Joe Buchanan, Benjamin N, What's Matter, Archie Pazik, Logan, Will Lopez, Ed Camden, Gene Kelly, El Gato, Miss Kanza, Nickman73, Lazarus, Suspicious One, David Santiago, G Group, Flat Out 50, Kyle. Those are some of the ones that I caught. And I especially want to shout out the people that inspire me to be better at this. The people that I've watched for years on YouTube. I want to shout out, of course, Doug DeMuro, Reddy's Rides, Matt Moran, Throttle House, Scotty Kilmore, Savage Geese, Ben Hardy, Straight Pipes. These guys are the ones that inspired me to be better every day. So without further ado, folks, let's get this 0 to 60 going. First, we're gonna run 3 poles. We're gonna run a sport on full automatic. We're not gonna mess with it. Then we're gonna run sport with the Tiptronic on the paddles, and then sport with the shifter. So we're gonna have three different shifts for you guys. All right, here we go. So first we're gonna run. Let's do the paddle shifters on sport with the Tiptronic. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much. First rundown. Paddle shifters on sport. Next run coming up after the bend. Should run strong, guys. Alright, slowing it down again. So this was sport paddle shifters. Next up is going to be sport with the shifter with the gear. Not bad, huh? Not digging this car. Smooth, silky smooth engine. All right, here we go, guys. It's gonna be all automatic now. Thank you guys for subscribing. Good. It's all automatic right now. I'm gonna give you guys another pull up the street. Wow. So those pulls are giving me about 8.8 mpg, guys. Wow, that thing was just burning gas. Yep, the average fuel efficiency during that current drive, 8.8. So this thing guzzled gas right there. All right, I got another spot. We're gonna do another 0 to 60 pull right now. You guys should like this spot. It's gonna be under another bridge near the Van Nuys Airport. This should look pretty cool. Sit tight, we're almost there, guys. So question, what do you think we should do to the body kit? I was thinking of going back to GALPIN and putting on the appearance package. It's going to give me the spoiler, side seal extensions, the rear extension for the down by the pipes, and the front spoiler. So what do you think of that? Should we throw that on or invest the money into other things? Cork Sport doesn't have anything yet for this car. They're still under development. I called some of the big guys. I called Borla. Try to get on the prototype list. I'm currently sending them an email. We're back and forthing about sending the car to Borla. They want the car for about a month to prototype and R&D a brand new exhaust called MagnaFlow. They want me to do the same thing, but they want me to send them another letter. It's not that easy. I thought it was going to be a lot easier. It's not. But I'm still in the links. I'm still talking to them. And of course, I have all the upgrades that I can do over at GALPIN, over at GALPIN Autosport. So I'm not really too worried about that. All right, guys. So here's where we're gonna run a 0 to 60 coming up, and let's move out of the way. Let's let some of these guys pass me up, because I definitely don't want to cause any traffic. So we're gonna wait it out for a little bit. We're gonna let these guys pass us up, and then we're just gonna post up right in the middle of this bridge and give you guys some good footage. Should look cool. There you go. So right now we're in the Van Nuys Airport area. This tunnel's really neat.